Hmm. Hmm. Oh, that's me. Silver, what happened to you? Oh my god. It all started in Emerson's, Kentucky. Time 8:30 a.m. You cooking breakfast in the kitchen while the TV is on and your kids is playing Friday Night Funkin' on their phone or tablets or computer or Nintendo Switch. Until they received an unknown text or file from someone. So open the text or file and pops out a disturbing image. They screamed at the top of their lungs about what they saw. You ran to their room and saw, what are they screaming at? Warning, very disturbing jump scare. I advise you to look away or get out of the video. Your choice. Oh God, Selever. You saw that file image and immediately closed it before there is another disturbance. Until the emergency alert system went off on your TV. Emergency alert system issued a local area emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. There are many 911 calls and reports of the mysterious creature roaming around the streets of Eminence, killing people they see and breaking into people's homes. The creature is not identified at this time. If you see the creature, call 911 immediately. Stay tuned for more information about the creature.
You immediately locked the doors and windows and told your kids to turn down the device volume. 1 hour later. Emergency alert system issued by a civil danger warning.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department. Residents of Eminence, lock all your doors and windows immediately. The suspect is identified. His name is Selever. Eggs. He has white hair, and known weight and known height. Age 17. Red eyes and black eye sockets, and razor-sharp teeth and razor-sharp claws covered in blood. He's seen wearing a dark pink magenta sweater with black turtleneck, black pants and black shoes all covered with blood. He also has black demon horns on his head, and he is also carrying a silver kitchen knives in his hand. If you see Selever, Eggs, run away as fast as you can, and dial 911 immediately.
Wait, what? Selever.exe?
Good morning, Eminence. I'm Samantha Mason. We have some breaking news in Eminence. The suspect, who is now identified as Selever Eggs, is killing people he see and his path, and breaking into people's homes and killing them inside, and abducting young children 6 to 16. The police are looking for the abducted children in Selever.exe, but the children are nowhere to be seen, and Selever.exe is in a different location in Eminence. And now we are going on live with Allison. Allison, are you there?
Yes, I am at the scene where the police are searching for evidence. And like you said, this demon-like person is extremely dangerous and very bloodthirsty, and if you see him, just run. Do not apprehend him. I better get back inside, because I don't want to get killed by him.
Whoa, he's sick in the head right now. Well, that's all for today's news for now. Stay tuned for more news. This is Samantha Mason, signing off.
Oh, geez. Time 9:30 a.m. 2 hours later. Ooh. emergency alert system issued a child abduction emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department and the National Center for Missing and the Exploited Children. This is the statewide Amber Alert. Repeat, this is the statewide Amber Alert. The child is missing. Her name is Cecile Miller. She is mixed biracial female, age 15. Brown hair, brown eyes.
Wait a minute.
5 feet and 2
That's
inches tall,
Cecile!
weighs 125
She's in danger!
pounds. She was last seen
This can't
wearing a
be
blue
happening.
lumberjack shirt with blue jeans and pink shoes. She also has glasses on her face. She's also wearing a cyan blue coat. She was last seen leaving the Superstar Daycare located at the Mega Pizzaplex after her work time as a co-worker and a tinkerer, and she was abducted by selever.exe. If you see her or selever.exe, call 911 immediately.
Oh no! The girl went missing. I feel very sorry for her. Prayers for her. Time, 3:30 p.m. You are watching TV. Wait a minute! I made that video!
Your humming is so annoying, especially that damn ringtone. Why don't you go to the farm and drink milk like a cow? Little snotty.
Emergency alert system issued a local area emergency.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department. Selever.exe is now sending files and unknown text messages and unknown number phone calls to each devices, and people open these files or texts or answered the calls got sick or committed suicide. If you received a file or a text or a call, do not answer or open it. You'll get sick or having depression if you do. Stay calm, repeat, stay calm, and do not panic. Panic will only make this situation worse.
Moo moo. Okay, that does it. Screw you guys, I'm going home.
You turned off the TV and you ran to your kid's room. You told your kids to don't get on their devices until further notice. Time, 4:30 p.m. Until things are about to go crazier. Emergency alert system issued a shelter-in-place warning.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department. This is a shelter-in-place warning. Selever.exe is now planting bombs inside of the residents' homes after killing them inside and causing fires, robbery, kidnapping, and firearm possession, and killing thousands of people. In addition, Selever.exe is dragging Cecile while tied up, and we heard reports that he is going to torture her. Residents are advised to shelter in place, grab food, water, extra clothing, medical supplies, phones, phone chargers, and a hand-cranked radio or a battery-powered radio with extra batteries. If you see Selever.exe, do not approach him, and do not panic. Panicking will only make this situation worse.
Oh my gosh!
Breaking news. Selever.exe is causing chaos in the town of Eminence, and over 2,000 people have been killed, and over 100 of children has been missing and murdered, and 300 people has committed suicide, and got really sick, because they opened the file or text, or answered the call, and the symptoms of the sickness is vomiting blood, sneezing blood, nausea, and diarrhea, and then death. Residents are advised to not to approach the sick. Now we are going live with Allison. Allison, are you there?
Yes, it's pure chaos. There are people panicking and so many explosions and many people are jumping off buildings and got hit by vehicles. Selever.exe is now killing everyone by creating dark magenta fire from his hands and launching nuclear missiles from the portal that he made. Everyone needs to advise to shelter in place immediately. Oh no, it's Selever.exe, and he's heading straight towards me. I gotta run. Right. Now.
Time to die, bitch. Ha 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 ha.
Allison, oh no, she got attacked by selever.exe. Stay tuned for more news. This is Samantha Mason, signing off.
Oh my fucking god! Did selever.exe killed the news correspondent? Three hours later, things are getting way worse.
We interrupted your programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
Emergency alert system issued emergency action notification.
Please stand by. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will be speaking shortly.
My fellow Americans, the following message is transmitted at the request of myself, the United States government, and the FBI and the Eminence Police Department. The entire state of Kentucky is getting halfway damaged, and the surrounding states are at the same fate as Kentucky. We tried our best to defeat selever.exe. If you are in Kentucky and other states, you better give up. You all are going to die. There's nowhere to run, and there's nowhere to hide. There's no escape from me. I am God. So make it quick and let me in.
Let me in. Let me in.
Wait, what are you doing?
You're going to die.
No, please, no.
I am God. Oh, Jesus Christ! 3 hours later, a miracle happened. Emergency alert system issued a emergency action termination.
The following message is transmitted at the request of Eminence Police Department. All clear. Repeat. All clear. Selever.exe has been shot in the chest by Cecile Miller after she broke free from the ropes. But there are so many damages that it takes years to rebuild, and it takes weeks to clean the blood and the corpses. And we need to donate money so we can rebuild everything. The government. Thanks you for your patience and cooperation.
I'll be back and she will pay. Ha 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 ha.
Finally, he's dead. Thanks for watching. I know, it seems traumatizing, but believe me, it's fake. Please leave a like and subscribe. And post a comment below. Thanks for 83 subscribers. You all are pure angels.
It's nice to unwind after a long